I'm a tactile and kinesthetic learner. My mom says that I'm in perpetual motion. Kinesthetic learners learn best through experiences or doing things. Tactile learners learn best through the act of touch. It helps our minds to remember letters, words, and sounds by using the sensory of touch.
Many reading specialists have their students trace a letter, sound, or word while they repeat it out loud. TacTouch allows parents, educators, and specialists to create a true tactile and kinesthetic experience with any touchscreen device.
Now. I use TacTouch to practice my letters and sight words. My teacher wants to use TacTouch in a learning center for a learning center in class. T-A-E dot. D-O do.
Here's how it works. First, peel off the TacTouch screen. Line it up with the iPad or tablet. Put it on the touch screen. And you're done. See how easily it works?